How to add gold on TradingView watchlist. Are you guys facing issues to add gold on your TradingView watchlist? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Once you open the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this watchlist icon. Click on it and tap on plus icon. Now search for XAUUSD, which stands for gold. To add gold on your TradingView watchlist, just simply tap on plus icon. Once you tap on it, gold will be added on your watchlist, and that's it guys. That's how we're gonna add gold on TradingView watchlist. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.